Hello guys, welcome to Bootstrap series. My name is Wasim and today we are going to start our lecture number 4. Before starting the lecture, I will request to everyone please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites very easily. Now let's start. As you know, this was our last lecture and I have told you in the last lecture all about the typography, right? So this is all the typography that I have told you: small, mark, tag, underline, del, paragraph, heading, container tag, each and everything. Now today I'm going to tell you that how you can now today I'm going to tell you about the alignment of the divs in the Bootstrap, that how you can align your divs with the help of Bootstrap classes. Now for this purpose what I will do is, first of all, let me write here something for you. In the container div I will do everything. Here I will do what? I will create one paragraph like this, and in between I will write something like you can see left align. I will write here left align, and now what I will do is, here I will write a class, and I will write here text left. I will save this, refresh my browser just to show you the output. Here you can see this is on the left side. If you want to show your div on the left side, then you can show your div left with the help of this class. Right now what I will do is, if I want to show my div on the right side, then what class I will use? Here I will write text right. These are the predefined classes in the Bootstrap. I will save this and refresh my browser. Here you can see the text is on the right side, so I will write here also right. So in this way you can show your div on the right side. Right, and now what you want to do is, if you want to do your text on the center, then what you will do is, you will write here text center. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see your text, your div is in the center. And if you want your text justify, then what you will do is, here simply you will write text justify. I will save this, refresh my browser just to show you the output. Here you can see the text is justify, but it is not showing, because if I will enter a paragraph here, then you can show the paragraph like justify. Let me tell you one more thing. If I want no wrap, then I will write here what? No wrap. I will save this and I will refresh my browser. Here you can see it's like this. Let me change this thing here, and this is for the justify, and this will I will write here no wrap. When we will use these classes justify and no wrap on the paragraph, then you will see the difference. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see, let me show you. If I am increasing the size of the screen, then you can see it is responsive. Your data will be in the form of responsive. Hope you understand everything. If you do not understand anything, you can comment me, I will answer your questions. Now you can understand that if you want to show your data on left, right, center, justify any form, you can use these classes and you can do this very easily. Now if you want to show your data like some uppercase, lowercase, how you can do that? For this purpose we use the classes like I will write here text dot lowercase, right? I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see it's in the lowercase. And what I will do is, if I will write here like text uppercase space text dash uppercase, I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you will see it's in uppercase. So it's on the left side. Why is on the left side? Because the T is missing in the right. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see everything is in upper case. Now if I will write here capitalize, let me write here space first, then I will write here capitalize. The spelling for the capitalize is this one, I think. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see it's capitalized like first letter of the words are capital. Hope you all understand this thing. Now this is all for the alignments, that if you how you can show your divs on the right, left and justify form. Now let me tell you about something more. Attributes of the CSS classes, Bootstrap classes. Now if you want to float your divs on the right or left, how you can float your divs? For this purpose what you will do is, you will write a div tag here, right? And you will write, first of all let me write something in the div. We are in the container div, you know that. Now I will write here like div float to right, right? And for this, if I want this div on the right side, then what I will, so I will write here the class float right. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see my div is on the right side. Hope you all understand this thing. Now what I want to do is, if I want my div on the left side, then what I will do is, I will copy this div, paste it here, and simply I will write here left. Here you can see your div is on the left side and this div is on the right side in the same line. Now hope you understand typography, about the typography, about the text, how you can align your text on the left, right, center, or in the justify form in the, and if how you can put your div on the right side or on the left side. Now if I will put here HR, I will save this. Let me show you one thing more. Here you can see the HR is on the top of these divs. Why? Because we have put the float left here. So if you are an expert of the CSS, then you can understand this, why this is happening here. If you do not understand anything, then you can press on the I button on the top of my video, and here, and you will get my lecture series of HTML and CSS. There you can find the answer for this. Those are also simple lecture. You should also study that lecture. Now, to avoid this error that why the HR is here, what we will do is, in the Bootstrap there is one class. The class is, we have to write here class. The class name is clearfix. Here you can see clearfix is used for clearing the divs. I will save this and refresh my browser. Here you can see the line is on the bottom of the divs. Hope you understand this thing. Now let me tell you one thing more. I will tell you that how you can write the block code. What it means block code, like if you want to show your some paragraph in the form of the block, how you can show that. So for this purpose what I will do is, first of all let me copy some paragraph here. I will copy this paragraph like this. I will copy this. After the HR clear div, I will paste it here, right? Hope you understand this thing. I will write a P here and the closing P here. Now for the block code, creating the block, I will write here block code tag like this, and at the end here I will write here closing block code tag. Now for the block code class, the class is block code. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the block is created, right? Now what I want to do is, if I will write here the footer for the block code, do is, if I want to show some text on the footer like code by, so how I will do, I will write here P closing P tag, and I will write here something like code by ABC. I will save this and refresh my browser. Here you can see code by ABC is written here. Now for the footer, it is called the footer of the code. So I will use what? I will write here class, and I will use block code dash footer class. This one is class used for the block footer, right? I will save this and refresh my browser. Here you can see whenever you are going to write any block, then the footer of the block you can write like this with the help of this class block code footer. Hope you are understand this thing. If you do not understand this thing, you can comment me. I will answer your questions. So this is all for today. If you like my video, please thumbs up my video, like my videos, subscribe my channel, and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites very easily. This is all for today. Thank you so much.